how I want to address my audience, you know? Okay guys, or welcome back. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to film a what I eat in a day pregnancy edition. I'm in my third trimester, about 28 weeks in, so the hunger is ramping up and I'm feeling pretty good. I'm really excited for my baby to come out. My diet has been quite scattered throughout pregnancy. The first half I didn't really eat much at all due to terrible sickness constantly. I won't say morning sickness because it was like all day sickness. I typically try to drink about 3 or 4 of these, maybe more, a day. I don't like track it religiously like some pregnant women do, but I just try to make sure that I don't get thirsty. I keep drinking water, make sure that I'm hydrated. I also drink some herbal teas throughout the day as well, like peppermint tea, which adds to the water intake. But right now it is about 8:30 a.m. I usually wake up around 8 and have a slow start to my day since I don't really have anything to do. And then, yeah, I just kind of listen to my body throughout the day. I don't stick to any kind of pregnancy meal plan or, you know, make sure that I don't eat too much or eat too little. Like, I just go with whatever I feel, you know, whilst keeping in mind a healthy mindset, because I want my baby to be healthy, of course. But lately I have been really craving carbs, so I usually start my day with a couple pieces of toast, sometimes oatmeal, sometimes eggs as well, but usually toast I think is the most consistent thing. And I have one usually that's Marmite and one that's honey. If you don't know what Marmite is, search it up. It's pretty weird looking, but I really enjoy it, especially in pregnancy actually. Let me know in the comments if you like Marmite too, because I haven't met many American people that like it. At least I like it a lot. So let's show you what I eat in a day. Essential part of my day, my probiotic Yakult. How I start most of my mornings. This exact thing, this exact combo. And then I usually sit at this table until lunchtime. And then I decide what I want to eat then. So yeah, I'm going to enjoy this meal. I do like to have a teaspoon of honey in my coffee because it's delicious, and I don't really like the bitter taste of coffee, so I like to sweeten it up. But then everything's perfect. Lunchtime! Got my sweet potato or kumara and I am going to cut this up into little pieces, and I've decided I'm going to eat an omelette. Sweet potato and egg omelette with a bit of cheese. Honestly, really hits the spot if you haven't tried it before. It's not a weird pregnancy craving. I had this before I was pregnant, so it is good. I also take my prenatals. Sometimes I take them with breakfast, but lately I've been taking them just whenever I remember. So I'm taking the Blackmore's Pregnancy and Breastfeeding Gold. I like these because they're smaller. I'll show you. It's 2 per serving and they look like this. So they're not too big and they're like coated in, I don't know, plastic? I don't know. But they don't taste weird when I swallow them. In the beginning of my pregnancy, I like literally couldn't stomach prenatals because they were so big and they taste terrible and they had a terrible aftertaste. So these ones are definitely going to be my go-to for the rest of the pregnancy and after pregnancy. So the omelette is good, as I remember. I'll probably have some oranges or something after this. Been really into oranges lately in the pregnancy, so probably have some oranges. And then I'll probably look at some YouTube videos, or cooking YouTube videos, to decide what I want to eat for dinner. Meat hasn't really been something that I like during pregnancy. I don't really know why. Like Ryan put sausages in his food, but I just went vegetarian just because I don't know what it is about it. Let me know if that's something you experienced too, but vegetarian is the way to go right now. for dinner I ate some delicious Chinese bowls from my mom. I was really thankful that she made dinner for us tonight because I was really tired, and I love vegetarian bowls. If you don't know what they are, they're just these little kind of like pastry things. They look like this. And they're filled with whatever you want. Mum made a nice vegetarian one for us tonight. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the What I Eat in a Day.